Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most blessings. Salawat and salam al-wasyi to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has guided us from the darkness era to the lightness era. Today I want to tell you about my project, which is attendance app, and this I built attendance with Android and with Firebase API. So the first thing you must know about my project, the first you can go to this bar, and then you can show and run comments. Nah, so there is you can make a new project with Flutter. So like this you can use to make project. After that, after you make a project, you can go to Firebase. Firebase like this. So this is a Firebase UI, and then you can go to build. After that you can choose Firebase AI Logic, CADKit, Machine Learning, Data Connect, Real-Time App Hosting, and others. And then you can open console when your account have registered or login. Open console. So this is my console in Firebase, and then we can start the attendance app with create a new Firebase project. So we can start with enter project name like attendance underscore attendance app. Continue. After that you can enable Gemini in Firebase or no, and then you continue, and then you can select account for Firebase. I choose default account, and then you can start your project. We can waiting for Firebase to make a database. So almost done. Continue. So that is Firebase. You can go to this. You can run in this database. You can close the Gemini also. So the UI for Firebase like this. After that we directly on Visual Studio Code, which is it show that assets save many image from admin, absent history, and leave. And then you can build Gradle. This is this is my configuration, so you must have a build Gradle like this. You can application ID in Firebase. Like this. You can also create database. In database you can use enterprise edition or standard edition. After that you can use database ID. I think make a default. And the next is you can use start in production mode or start in test mode. I think you can use test mode for just for test, and then you can create Firebase. And then there is a file which name file is absent screen. So there is content of absent screen, and then there is absent screen. I think you must to input package cloud Firestore, dotted border, Flutter, Eucliding, geolocator, and others. And the camera screen, it is for make a camera in your app. And then there is attendance history. So there is name, address, description, and deadline. This is a UI for home screen. There is welcome and admin, and there is header. And then you can use utils face detection with Google ML Kit, .dart, and then Vision.dart also. It's connect with Google ML Kit. And then there is the main.dart. You can you must to fill the API key in here, my API key, and then the app ID you can copy from the database, like this. And then you can use also messaging sender ID, and then the project ID the project ID name. Okay, so we directly to run the Flutter app. Flutter run. Choose Chrome or macOS, up to you. We can and then you can look for starting application main method. You can look for API key and project ID. That is from Firebase, default from Firebase. So this is attendance record. You can use to fill your name, like my name, and then you can choose for permission. You can use others, maybe you teaching, or permission, or sick. And then you can use date for permission, start date from now, and then until tomorrow. And then you can make a request. Yes, there is a notification that you have saved it. And then you can use maybe you want to go back to home. You can capture a photo, but my this feature is not make a is not run because it is scan in Android, not in VS Code. Nah, like this, it not can. After that, we have attendance history. So there is my history, there is my name and my friend and others, and then you can edit your attendance data, address for Indonesia, description also, and that time you can improvement also, save. Like this, there is a location, and from create a data, you cannot use location because I don't make for location. It is I manually fill manually in address. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.